Today, I fired my entire customer support team and replaced them with AI. That's right. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are now my new support agents. But can they actually help customers? Or will they crash harder than my old router in a thunderstorm? Let's find out. Here is the challenge. I am going to feed each AI a few real telecom support problems, from billing mistakes to network issues. And we will test 3 things: accuracy, empathy, and the chaos factor. And at the end, you'll have to guess which responder was human. Each AI had the same instructions. Act as a friendly telecom support agent. Round 1. A customer whose bill just doubled overnight. Here's what they said. ChatGPT gave a structured answer. It broke down the line items and offered a possible data overage explanation. Claude went deep into policy terms, like really deep. Gemini tried to sound casual, but accidentally offered a refund without checking an account number first. Oops. So yeah. If you want accuracy, ChatGPT wins round 1. Next, we tested empathy. How do these bots handle the rage of a customer whose internet went down during the Super Bowl? Claude hit all the polite keywords. I completely understand your frustration. Very corporate. ChatGPT apologized convincingly and even offered practical next steps to get things back online. Gemini, though, said, I'm sorry you're feeling this way. Would you like to run a network diagnostic? Not bad, but a little robotic, you know? Empathy really matters in support, especially when tensions are high. So this one's a tie between ChatGPT and Claude. Both managed to sound genuinely helpful. Finally, the chaos test. Because we all know that customers can get creative. So, when I told them I dropped my router in the ocean, Claude calmly offered replacement options and pricing. ChatGPT politely reminded me that electronics and saltwater don't really mix, and explained the warranty policy. But Gemini asked me to try restarting it. Gemini, my friend, it is in the Pacific Ocean. So, the Chaos Factor award definitely goes to Gemini for the comedic value alone. Now, here's the fun part. I mixed in one real human agent's response to the question, how do I upgrade my service with little to no increase in price? No AI at all. Can you guess which one it was? I'm showing all 4 responses on the screen right now. Take a good look. Pause to read. Drop your guess in the comments. I'll reveal the answer in the next episode. So yeah, replacing my support team with it's way cheaper. But maybe I'll keep some humans around to handle the ocean calls. If you enjoyed this experiment, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see what happens when I replace my business partner with AI next. Thanks for watching, and remember, empathy might be the one thing AI can't fully automate. Yet.